I think Supreme Court's probably leaning toward banning TikTok or at least not overturning it. But that's where ultimately Trump administration is probably going to have to get involved because this is it's a third rail issue when it comes to U.S. and China, just given the sensitivity of TikTok. This started off as Justice Department and deeming that it was a security risk, and ultimately Congress passed a law in April, and now the Supreme Court's deciding if this ban, effective January 19th, should stay unless the China-based ByteDance sells TikTok. I mean, this could have a cascade of impact. High tensions in U.S. and China. If they ban TikTok and Trump doesn't ultimately stop this, or at least tell the DOJ to ultimately not enforce the law, it could really have a cascading effect in terms of U.S. companies, Apple, Tesla, and China. And it would definitely get the U.S.-China relationship with Trump coming back in off to I'd say, a bad foot. Yeah, I believe this is one of the first things Trump will take care of, given the immediacy of the ban on the 19th.
So I'm going to have to start thinking about TikTok. I think we're going to have to start thinking. Because, we did go on TikTok, and we had a great response with billions of views, billions and billions of views. They brought me a chart, and it was a record, and it was so beautiful to see. And as I looked at it, I said, maybe we got to keep this sucker around a little while,
I believe Trump is going to look for ways, if the Supreme Court still allows the ban, to either delay it or not enforce it, because they have a lot to lose. And Trump is against the ban. And if they ban this on the First Amendment perspective, it's you can't put the genie back in the bottle. And I think it sets a dangerous precedent, and that's the view of the Trump administration. Look, it's possible that ByteDance could sell TikTok. We believe if they sell it, it's without the algorithm, which is call it the brains behind the technology. And in that case, it's probably worth less than 50 billion, if they sell it. But look, this is a game of high stakes poker. Trump administration does not want ultimately to ban TikTok. And I think this is just the first step. Get the popcorn out. I think it's going to be pretty complex.